Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to tell, do I regret quitting NEET after 2 attempts? That is one drop. At first, let me tell you why I wanted MBBS. Actually, when you hear the word MBBS, it will be like privilege. You can earn a lot of money. It is having a lot of respect, such a respected field. So I thought opting MBBS would be have many benefits, and also I thought why not MBBS. So I decided ki let's prepare for NEET. When I first entered the college, like I took coaching in Akash Institute in my inter. So when I first entered, my whole thought was like AIMS Delhi lana hai. I should get into AIMS Delhi at any cost. So after 2 years of my inter, I realized that I worked hard, but I know how much I worked. So I knew that I would get 500 plus marks in my NEET and not more than that, because I didn't work that hard. I neither didn't work that low. After completing my 2 years of my NEET preparation, that is, I completed my inter, then I realized that I definitely won't get a seat. Maybe if I get lucky by any chance, I might get nearer to getting a seat. But I did work. I did as much as practice I can. I read the NCERT thoroughly as much as I can. I scored 517 in my first attempt. It is not a bad score. It is not a good score that I can get a seat. Then I knew I have potential. I knew that if I get 100 more marks, I get a seat. So I was not sure. Maybe I gave myself another chance. That is my first drop. When I gave myself another drop, 4 months into my drop year, I realized that I chose the wrong coaching institute for myself. I realized that, bro, this is not what I want to do in long run. By chance, by ego, to satisfy my parents, I can crack NEET, but actually I can't sustain in this field. I don't want to be in this field. So somehow the time passed again. My second attempt of my NEET, I scored 444 marks in NEET 2025. Those marks are terrible, of course. I didn't get good marks. Then I realized that what next? Another drop? Definitely not. I will tell you why I didn't take another drop. I didn't take another drop because it is not at all serving my mental health. मेरा mental health इतना खराब था कि I don't want to do it further. Even if I gave myself a chance, I can't do it because of the mental pressure, anxiety and depressions, etc. I, for the first time in my life, faced a depression phase for 6 months in my NEET preparation. And that period of my life is like literally hell. I finally quit taking another drop when I realized that it is not serving my mental health anymore. And when I finally admitted that this is not what I want in my life. So what's the point of fighting for it when you actually don't want it in your life? Isn't it? So I quitted the phase and then I moved on from that NEET phase entirely. Until today, I never ever regretted like I should give another chance for myself so that I could get into college, MBBS college. I do not regret not taking another drop. Now I moved on. I'm not into it anymore. I am focusing on myself right now. From this phase onwards, from the resources I have right now, whatever I can do to become successful, to reach my further goals in life, I'm working on them. I'm trying as much as I can. And what else do I want than this? I can be successful from no matter in which field I am in. So I think I never regretted not taking another drop and trying for MBBS again. If you are a NEET aspirant, if you are confused whether you have to take another drop or not, only give yourself another chance if it is your passion to pursue MBBS. Like you can't even move on into other fields. You, if it is your main motto is to do MBBS, then never give up. One of my friend is there. He didn't get his MBBS seat in his 2 attempts. Like even after one drop, he didn't get a seat. After another drop, like he took 2 drops, then he got a seat. Now he is happy, he is enjoying his MBBS life, he is doing well in his MBBS life. Like if you are sure, damn sure this is what you want, then never give up. Give yourself as many chances you can give and work as hard as you can. Put your everything, put your heart and soul to it and achieve it. So this is the final conclusion that I want to give in this video. Hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.